keep your voice down, okay? Because this is definitely a dangerous place to be headed. We have some headhunters right there. You know, usually when they dance like that, it's because they're about to attack from the right side. Yeah, so, if you see anything, what? Oh, guys, they changed it. Okay, climbers, get down, everybody, get down. Careful, down, down. I'm so sorry, I didn't get the memo. Please get down. There you go. Be my shield. Be my shield. Please be my shield. You know what? Okay, they had trouble taking it anyway, so barely made it. Okay, so this right here, this is 17th wonder of the world. The backside of water. And you guys smell that? Yeah? Oh, yeah. There's about 200 bacteria in there. You just smell them all. Good job. Alright guys, so right now we are entering the Mekong River, deep in the heart of Cambodia. Now this right here was supposed to be a new structure, but it looks like it just went through an earthquake. Looks scary, guys. What do you think? Should we go in? Yeah? Not again. Come on, guys. What could be in there? What if there's adventure? Excitement. Oh, this is Disney. Maybe a gift shop in the end. That's true. Okay, guys, just keep your eyes open, okay? I'm gonna keep mine.